Seyi Tinubu and
Yes,
associates
presence. I'm
donate
very fine
500
with
million naira
good
to
interpretation
Maiduguri
because
flood
it's a flood
victims.
that just
Seyi
happened.
Tinubu, son of
We're here
Nigerian
today not
President
just to
Bola
put
Ahmed
emphasis on
Tinubu,
our
has led a
family,
group of
but
associates
as
to donate
members of a
relief
collective
materials
effort
worth
of
over
young
500
Nigerians.
million naira to flood victims in Maiduguri, Borno State. On Friday, the delegation arrived in Maiduguri and met with Governor Babangana Zulum at the state government house. Tinubu expressed deep sympathy for those affected by the recent devastating floods that swept through the state capital. Addressing the gathered officials, Seyi highlighted, "We are not just here as family representatives, but as a united front of young Nigerians. We are committed to bringing hope and relief to those in need. This is a time for us to stand together, show compassion, and take immediate action." The donation includes essential food items such as rice, flour, cooking oil, and critical medical supplies. Notably, the group has provided prescription to cover nearly 50,000 children and adults, including anti-malarials, antibiotics, and other crucial medications. Tinubu emphasized the resilience of Borno's people, stating, "Despite past challenges, they have braved all odds. This painful national tragedy deserves our collective effort, support, and prayers."
By his call, my wife and I, through the N500m, and my brother Yinka, our friends, and numerous other private sector partners have joined hands to respond swiftly to the needs of those displaced by this national tragedy. Your Excellency, we have been able to pool resources with the cooperation of many generous individuals and companies who have brought various food items, essential non-food items, survival kits, and medical supplies. And we hope that will offer immediate relief to those in need.
This visit is a direct response to President Bola Tinubu's recent trip to Maiduguri, where he called for increased private sector involvement in food relief efforts. Seyi Tinubu, inspired by his father's appeal, has taken up the mantle and initiated this significant relief effort. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further updates.